Hi, this is CA Khemchand Devnani. Welcome to the Post Market Report, dated 27th May 2025, day Tuesday. Nifty closed 0.69% in negative today. But this statement would not summarize the day's trade. Nowadays, volatility has become such that even at the money straddles on expiry days give more than 1% premium. At 9:45 a.m. in the morning, at the money straddle of Sensex was giving more than 880 points for today's expiry, and the level of Sensex at that time was 81,500, effectively giving a 2 percentage point range on an expiry day. Option sellers who would have sold 81,500 straddle in the morning, that is 81,500 call and 81,500 put, would have collected around 880 points in premium, giving them an effective range of 80,620 on the lower side to 82,380 on the upside. You might be thinking this was easy profits, but market has the knack of proving you wrong. Exactly at around 11:30 a.m. in the morning, less than 2 hours from 9:45 a.m., Sensex was trading at 82,410 levels, breaching the upper break-even of the option sellers. It was a rise of more than 1150 points from the day's low. And it wasn't any news-based action. It was a total frenzy, this option frenzy you all know about. Earlier, it was a phrase that option buyers get butchered in the market. But nowadays, both option buyers and option sellers are treated with the same respect. Both of them get slaughtered nowadays. By the way, I do not trade Sensex options, especially on Tuesdays, that is the expiry day. I stay away from Sensex. Now let's bring our focus back to Nifty. Nifty opened around 40 to 50 points gap down today, but within the first 15 minutes candle, it fell more than 200 points. From close to 25,000 levels, Nifty fell to close to 24,750 levels within the first 15 minutes candle. After that, it kept on consolidating up to 11 a.m. From 11 a.m. to 11:05 a.m., yes, within the next 5 minutes, Nifty rose close to 200 points. To be specific, 190 points. It was a havoc. I cannot term it as short covering. Nifty rising close to 200 points in less than 5 minutes. These sort of crazy moves were earlier associated with Bank Nifty only. But Bank Nifty, beware, you now have competition with Nifty. Nifty made a high of 25,062 at 11:30 a.m. in the morning, after which it slowly kept on falling and falling and falling. Nifty fell more than 350 points from the day's high to breach the day's low and reaching close to 24,700 levels around 2 p.m. After which it started going sideways and closed 175 points or 0.69 percentage points in red. Nifty moved more than 1000 points today, which is more than 4 percentage points of the range of Nifty. Let's consider Nifty being on 25,000 levels. 4% of 25,000 is 1000 points. Nifty's today's move was 1002 points. From day's high to day's low, again going to the day's high, again falling and going up. All these points, if added, have a sum of more than 1000 points. Talking about Bank Nifty now, I was not in particularly impressed with Bank Nifty today. Bank Nifty underperformed today. No, not literal underperformance I'm talking about. Bank Nifty was much less volatile than Nifty today. You seldom see such days when Bank Nifty is less volatile compared to Nifty. Bank Nifty's range today was from 55,000 to 55,850. It ended up 0.39 percentage points in red, or 219 points down. As you would have expected, India VIX closed higher today by 3 percentage points. During the day's trade, at one point in time, VIX was even higher by 6.5%. Now let's talk about the day's trade for tomorrow, that is Wednesday. Nifty has a clear resistance at 25,115 levels. On the downside, Nifty has multiple supports from 24,615 to 24,700 levels. But this is a 500 point range. I particularly will not be trading tomorrow until it stays within the range. Yeah, if it breaks out a range on any of the side, I will then be interested in trading. It would be much more interesting if Nifty closes tomorrow at one of the resistance or support levels, which will make the trade for the next day, that is the expiry day on Thursday, much more interesting. That is all for the day. Trade cautiously with proper risk management.